In this video, I'm going to show you how to create desktop shortcut icons directly from Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a super helpful trick if you want quick access to websites like YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or any other page you visit often. Instead of opening Chrome, typing the address, and searching every time, you can launch the site straight from your desktop like it is its own app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy computer tips and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to create a shortcut for. For example, you can use YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, or any other site you want easy access to. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser menu with all the extra options. From here, find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your Chrome version, this may appear in the menu exactly like that, so keep an eye out for it. Click it, and a new submenu will open. In that submenu, choose Create Shortcut. This is the option that lets Chrome place a clickable shortcut on your desktop. After that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to name the shortcut. You can keep the website name as it is or type your own custom name. For example, you could name it YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or anything that makes it easy for you to recognize later. If you want the shortcut to open in a separate window instead of a normal browser tab, you can also check the Open as Window option. This is optional, but it makes the shortcut behave more like a dedicated app. Once you have chosen the name and selected your options, click Create. Chrome will then generate the shortcut for you automatically. Now go to your desktop and you should see the new website icon appear right there. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a second and refresh your desktop view. Once it appears, you can double-click it any time to open that website directly without going through the usual browser steps. And that is how you create desktop shortcut icons directly from Google Chrome. It is quick, easy, and a great way to save time every day. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.